Good morning everyone. I'm Meenakshi and I'm your SST teacher. Children, in previous class you read EVS, but now this time you will read it in science and SST separately. In SST, in our semester 1 book, 2 chapters are coming in your periodic 1 exam. Chapter 1 is Globe and Map and chapter 2 is Early Human Being. Today we are going to start our chapter 1 Globe and Map. Children, in earlier classes you read about our sun, about our earth. Children, in previous classes you learned about our earth, how it is beautiful, what is the shape of earth and what is the color of it, etc. etc. Now children, I am giving you a brief introduction of our solar system. Our solar system consists Sun and 8 planets. These 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Children, our sun is a huge ball of fire. It is made up of hot gaseous matter and the light from the sun is reached on earth within 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Children, our sun is a main source of heat and light. That is why ancient people always worshipped it as a god. We live on our earth. It seems very big, but in actual, children, it is a very tiny part of our solar system. Our earth looks flat because we see a very little part or a very small part of at a time. Our early human beings believed that our earth was flat, not round. But in actual, our earth is spherical in shape and its top and bottom are slightly flattened like an orb. Our earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet on which life is possible, reason presence of oxygen and air. Or we can say our earth has all favorable conditions that required for existence of life. It looks blue in color from outer space because 2/3 part of its surface is covered by water. That's why it is also known as blue planet. The moderate temperature conditions of the earth are favorable for plants and animal life. Children, a globe is a small model of the earth. Suppose this is our earth and the middle line that divide the earth into 2 equal parts. These 2 equal parts, this one is called northern hemisphere and this one is called southern hemisphere. And equator is also called 0° latitude. Now the vertical lines that run from north to south, these lines are called longitudes. Children, these imaginary lines help us to locate places on the earth and the network of latitudes and longitudes on the globe make a grid like this. These are imaginary lines and these are called latitudes. Vertical lines are called longitudes and horizontal lines are called latitudes. So this one structure is known as grid. This is looking like a check. Map is a geographical representation of the earth, or we can say a map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface like a paper. Children, they are useful for students, common people alike. They give lot of information about agriculture, population and industries, etc. According to the function, there are three types of map. First one, physical map. They show different physical feature of a place like mountains, plateaus, plains, river or hills. Second one is political map. Political map show political boundaries of a country or a state. Third one is thematic map. Thematic map show different distribution of agriculture, population or rainfall. Children, we can hang the map on a wall easily and we can fold it easily. Now come to let's revise. Children, in this chapter we read about solar system, our sun and our earth. Our solar system consists sun and 8 planets, and our earth is known as blue planet because it's 2/3 part of it covered with water. Sun is a main source of heat and light, and globe is a true model of the earth. It is used to locate continent, oceans or seas on the earth. Next is a map. It is a geographical representation of the earth on a flat surface, or we can say it is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Next, kinds of maps. There are 3 kinds of map. One is physical map, second one is political map, third one is thematic map. Children, I hope you understand about our globe and map. And in our next class, I will teach you about continent and oceans. Thank you.